Flat HDMI cables are a unique solution for your home theater. They make it especially easy to run under carpets or install in tight spaces. The flat design also eliminates crosstalk and interference that some round cables experience. Furthermore, they are triple shielded to eliminate interference for maximum signal quality. They have two gold-plated MEL HDMI Type-C connectors, which is the standard size for AV equipment. They are CL2 rated, so you can run the cable inside your walls. Flat HDMI cables provide a unique but highly functional design that will have your home theater looking its best.